Ready to hit the road? Let's build it now. Let's build a powerful carrier truck to move heavy items. Place the driver's cabin at the front. Attach the large cargo bed for carrying items. Attach the lever and other small details. Place the fuel tank to power up the truck. Attach the lever and other small details. Start with the strong wheels for a smooth ride. Start with the strong wheels for a smooth ride. Finally, put on the fenders. Perfect finish. Before we start the journey, let's fuel it up. Machines need energy, just like we need food. Plug, and full, ready to roll. Awesome! The truck is good to roll. Awesome! The truck is good to roll. Drive carefully to the drop-off point. Now lift the item and drop it right at the spot. Perfect! Load the big item onto the truck, nice and steady. The truck got dusty after that job. Time for a wash. Soap, scrub, rinse until it's shiny again. Splash water, shiny and clean again. Great work! The carrier truck is ready for more